Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as I make Kontomire Abomu, probably one of the most requested dishes since I started this channel. Come along and let's get started. I'm gonna get started by boiling my scotch bonnet peppers and my turkey berries. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and boil my kobi as well. With the kobi, it is extremely salty, so I will be switching the water after it comes to a boil, and I'll use fresh water to finish cooking it just to get rid of as much salt as possible. For the kontomire, I like to remove the large stems, and if you don't have kontomire, baby spinach works just as well. You just will not cook it for as long as you would if you were using kontomire. And for the kontomire, you're going to boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes on high heat. To get started on my abomu, I am going to be grinding my scotch bonnet peppers, my turkey berries, and my onions. I'm using a sanka today, but if you don't have it, you can always use a food processor and pulse it. After grinding my trio, I'm going ahead with a roasted momoni. I roast it on an open gas flame with just a fork, and I do the same with my tomatoes just to give it a little bit of extra smoky flavor. After the tomatoes go in, I can go ahead and add my cooked kontomire, or if you're using spinach, you can add the spinach at this point. And my lovely people, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and remember to turn on your notification bell as well so that you know when I upload more amazing videos. And just before I finish my abomu, I'm going ahead to cook some yam and apem that will be served alongside. Once I get my yam and apem into my warm water, I'm going ahead to add some eggs to hard boil with it, and I'll be adding some salt to taste as well. My yam and apem will cook for about 15 minutes, and while that cooks, I'm going ahead with my palm oil in a separate pan, and I'll be adding some onions to it to fry on low to medium heat for about a minute or two. Next up, I'm adding a little bit more momoni into my oil to infuse extra flavor into it, because team momoni here, you can never have enough. And last but not the least, I'm going in with a bit of sliced tomatoes, and that's gonna fry for a few seconds as well. Now it's time to finish our abomu, our kobi, will go on. And now guys, before you cook your kobi, you can of course get rid of all of the fins on the side. I like to chew on it, so I leave it. But yeah, your oil goes on with your onions and tomatoes, and I give it a little stir just to allow the palm oil to go into every little corner in my asanka. And I'm gonna garnish it with some hard-boiled eggs and some avocado. And for my team low carb, this could be a meal. You could up the avocado and eliminate the yam and the apem. But if you're like me and the diet is postponed till 2021, then you can of course serve it with your yam and apem on the side. I could not wait to dig in, but damn, that yam was hot. But we really enjoyed it. And that's it, my lovely people. Our Kontomire Abomu is ready to be served. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section when you try this or any of my other amazing recipes out. And as always, please remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel. And thank you all so much for coming along with me on this absolutely delicious journey. Take care, guys.